Do you ever feel overwhelmed by the flood of thoughts and ideas racing through your mind? Do you struggle to organize your thoughts and see the bigger picture? Mind mapping is here to help. Mind mapping is a powerful technique that allows you to visually map out your thoughts, ideas, and concepts, creating a clear and organized structure. It helps you unlock your creativity and develop a deeper understanding of complex subjects. So how does mind mapping work? Imagine starting with a central idea or topic, which becomes the focal point of your mind map. From there, you branch out and connect related ideas and subtopics, creating a web-like structure. This organic approach mirrors the way our brains naturally process information, making it easier to absorb. And remember, with mind mapping, you can explore different perspectives and make connections that may have been overlooked. It encourages free-flow thinking, allowing you to capture ideas as they come to you. And because it's a visual tool, mind mapping engages both the logical and creative sides of your brain, leading to enhanced problem solving and decision-making skills. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just looking for a way to improve your memory and productivity, mind mapping can transform the way you think and organize information. It can be used for note-taking, brainstorming, project planning, and so much more. Plus, with digital mind mapping tools readily available, you can easily create and modify your mind maps on your phone, tablet, or computer. So, why waste time struggling to keep track of scattered thoughts when you can harness the power of mind mapping? Take control of your ideas, unleash your creativity, and gain clarity and insight in just a few minutes. Start mind mapping today and see the difference it can make in your life. Happy mapping.